Hi Bon Bakers, welcome back to my channel. You're with Nicole, and if you're new here, I share lots of delicious home-style recipes as well as baking tips and tricks. Today though, we are having a celebration because I have just hit 100 videos up on my channel. Make sure you check them out. But I'm so excited, it's such a huge milestone. So today in celebration, we are going to be decorating a cake. I've been busy baking away a beautiful cake here, ready to decorate it with you and enjoy it. So I really wanted to share this moment with you. You guys have all been here on the journey with me. So this cake is just as much for me as it is for you. And we've got here a beautiful chocolate cake. It's gonna be chocolate on chocolate on chocolate with a little bit of peanut butter mixed through it, and it's gonna be absolutely amazing. I can't wait to share it with you. Let's get to it. So the cake that I've chosen to have for our celebration today is a cake from Joy the Baker, and make sure you check out her recipe for this cake. I'll show you how it looks at the end. It's a really nice, beautiful and moist chocolate cake. But if you don't know much about Joy, she's an absolute legend and she's got some amazing recipes. So be sure to check out her. She's on Instagram, she's got a great blog as well. And she's just an all-round amazing baker, so check her out. So with that recipe, you just divide the batter into 2 pans, which I've done here, like so, and we're gonna end up stacking them. So we'll do that in just a moment, but first I need to make this beautiful icing. It's also on her website with this recipe. It's just one recipe. It's called Everybody's Birthday Cake. So let's get this icing ready. We're gonna decorate this cake and then enjoy it together. So we wanna eat this cake as soon as possible. So we're gonna set up a bit of a time lapse here, and I'm just gonna whip this up nice and quick. And as I go, if you do have any questions, make sure you just let me know in the comment section below, and I can always do another video or a little tutorial just for that section for you. We did it! Look how beautiful this cake looks. It's bloody amazing. Check out this chocolate peanut butter icing. Oh, it's so creamy. It's gonna be absolutely amazing, and I love all the fun colors that have come through with our little sprinkles here. And what is a celebration cake without some candles? So I have some lovely little 100 candles here, and then it's time to light it up and dig in. Woohoo! Whoop! Go on, take 2. Yes. Last one. There we go. 100 videos. You know it's time to blow out the candles when the wax starts dripping on the cake, and it's doing that now, so let's eat it. Woo! Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yes, 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 yes. This is gonna be a winner. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try and do it. Yum! This cake is, as I said, extremely moist, really light, and just so easy to eat. There's a little bit of coffee that is in the cake as well, and you kind of get little hints of that coming through. And then together with that peanut butter in the frosting, 10 out of 10. Thank you so much for joining me in the kitchen, not just today, but for the last 100 videos. It's a huge milestone and something that's really important for me, and I really did want to share this very special moment with you today. If there are any recipes that you would like to learn, make sure you let me know in the comments below and I'll plan a video for you. If you are new to my channel, you might not have known that I had 100 videos, so be sure to check some of them out. And even if you have been here before and seen some of them, there's a few oldies that are still goodies, so have a look at what might suit you for what you're trying to bake this time of year. Thanks again, here's to the next 100, and if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell because I have a new video coming out every single week. New recipes from next week.